Hello guys, welcome to Do Physics. So this is my third lecture on this series electrostatics. Today I'll be explaining electric field. So if you haven't watched my previous videos of this series yet, do watch them and subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. So let's start today. So let me first explain what is electric field. So how this concept of electric field comes. So suppose you are pushing or pulling the book in your table, then you are applying some force on it. Okay, now in previous video or first video of this series of electric charge, I have told you that when two charges are at a finite distance apart, okay, when two charges are at a finite distance apart, then there exists force between them. It may be attractive or it may be repulsive depending on the nature. Now the two charges are not touching each other, okay, then how this force is acting between them? So to explain this, we introduce the concept of electric field. So when a charge is present, say Q1, then we say that an electric field is generated around this charge. So when another charge known as the test charge came in this field, okay, enters into this field, then this test charge experiences this force. Okay, so an electric charge interacts with another charge by creating a field around it. Okay, is this clear? So when another charge known as the test charge is brought to the original field, that is the field created by this source charge, so then the new charge or the test charge experiences an electric force. Okay, is this clear? Now I will make it more clear here. So say in this space, this is the original charge. So when this charge is present in this space, there is an electric field which is created around this charge all over the space, not just in this region, all over the space, okay, near this charge. So when another charge which enters into this field, then this charge experiences some force due to the created electric field. Okay, I hope this is clear. And when this charge enters into this field, then it experiences an attractive force or a repulsive force depending on the nature of the charge. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So in this slide I am explaining the value of this electric field. So the intensity of an electric field at a point is defined as the force experienced when a unit charge is placed at that point. So in simple terms, say this is the original charge and then a field is created. So when a charge, new test charge enters into this region, then it experiences some kind of force due to this electric field. Okay, now the force experienced by this charge, okay, if we divide this magnitude of that force by the amount of this charge Q, okay, then we get the value of the electric field E at this point, okay. So if this value of Q is say equal to 1 coulomb, then the value of E will be equal to, the value of F will be equal to the electric field at this point. Okay, simply we know the expression of F from Coulomb's law, the force from Coulomb's law, which is K, F is equal to, okay, K capital Q small q upon R square will be there. And in this case, since this is E, there is an additional division by Q small q. So ultimately we will get this term for the electric field. So this is the nothing but the unit vector. So to understand the concept of unit vector, just watch my second video on Coulomb's law. So this is remaining the same in this case also. So in this point, the electric field direction is along this direction, that is the line joining of the two forces, and the unit vector will be along this direction. Okay, so this is all about the electric field. So if you have any doubts or some questions, then type them in comment section. Thank you, see you later.